Hello everyone, welcome to my first lesson on phonics. Teach your child to decode the words using letter sounds. Even your 3-year-old child can start reading within 2 to 3 weeks. Here we go. Listen to the sounds carefully. A as in apple. A as in apple. B as in banana. B as in banana. C as in car. C as in car. D as in dinosaur. D as in dinosaur. E as in elephant. E as in elephant. F as in fish. F as in fish. G as in guitar. G as in guitar. H as in hat. H as in hat. I as in igloo. I as in igloo. J as in jellyfish. J as in jellyfish. K as in kite. K as in kite. L as in lion. L as in lion. M as in monkey. M as in monkey. N as in nail. N as in nail. O as in octopus. O as in octopus. P as in parrot. P as in parrot. Q as in queen. Q as in queen. R as in rain. R as in rain. S as in sun. S as in sun. T as in turtle. T as in turtle. U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella. V as in van. V as in van. W as in watch. W as in watch. X as in fox. X as in fox. Y as in yo-yo. Y as in yo-yo. Z as in zipper. Z as in zipper. So these are all letter sounds. Make your child listen to these sounds again and again. In my next video, I will be telling you about 5 vowels. All the vowels have 2 sounds, short sound and long sound. Keep watching. Thank you.